In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw this colorful 3D flower in mandala style. We are going to draw this with my new 3 brushes, Tube and Tube colors, so before you start, make sure to download them. Link is in the description. You can also download the same color palette that I will be using here. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to draw more of me, I have many step-by-step Procreate tutorials and brushes on my Patreon. Link is in the description. And with all that being said, grab your drawing tools and let's start. Let's make a new canvas, A4 canvas from Procreate. Rotate it this way. And first we can color the background in black. So let's open the layers, tap on the background color and take black color like this. Tap on Done. Now to draw with the Symmetry tool, we have to turn it on. Let's go to the Actions menu, Canvas, turn on Drawing Guide, and then tap on Edit Drawing Guide. Here at the bottom let's pick Symmetry, and in the options we can pick Radial. Now so we can see those lines here, we can pick color over here. Let's take white color and tap on Done. Let's open the layers and make sure that you have here this drawing assist turned on. This means that we are going to draw here with that symmetry. Let's pick the first color. Take this green one and let's pick the brush. Let's go here to my siakulaart special brushes and let's take Tube colors. Those brushes are pressure sensitive, so when you draw with very little pressure, you'll have a thin line, and then when you add more pressure, the line will be thick. Okay, so let's draw our first shape over here. I will start with small pressure, then add some more, and small again. So our first elements are ready. Let's make a new layer for the next ones. We have to turn here the drawing assist. So let's tap here and pick Drawing Assist. Let's change the color. Let's take here this pink. And now we can change the brush. Let's take Tube. I will make the brush size 44. And I will draw a shape over here like this. And now I'm going to add one more here. And we have to make sure that we will not come out here of the canvas. So let's make it smaller. And let's make it over here, so we can control where the edge will be. So it's kind of like a heart shape. Let's make one more layer. Let's also set it to Drawing Assist. And let's change the color. Let's take this yellow one. I will draw here a small shape over here, like that. And now maybe let's draw something here. Let's change the color for this. Let's take this blue one. And here, maybe let's draw some kind of shape like that. Now on the same layer, I will still draw here one more shape, but I will change the brush. I will go back to the Tube colors and I will change the color. I will take this purple one and with the brush size 93, I will draw a shape over here like this. Okay, now let's change the color. Let's take the yellow one. Let's make the brush size smaller, 36. And maybe we can draw here smaller shapes like that. And now let's change the color again. Let's take this one. And we can maybe add a small shape over here, like that. And then I would still like to add something here in the middle. For this, I will make a new layer. I will also set it as drawing assist. I will change the color. Let's take yellow. And let's go back to the other brush, tube. Let's draw here a shape like that. And then one more time this way. We can change blending mode of this layer. We can set it to add. This way we are going to get here this nice effect. We can still add small details, maybe over here. Like that. And then one more over here. And I think this is enough. And now let's take a small break, and I would like to ask you to write the comment with the word flower. It would mean a lot to me. I would know that you enjoyed this video and I could see who is watching me. So thank you for doing that. And now let's go back to drawing. Now we are going to play around with this. We can still adjust the colors. I would like on these big green leaves to change the color of the middle part of it. So I will go to this layer here. And we can take the selection tool. Here let's pick ellipse, turn off color fill, and let's select here a circle somewhere like this. Now here let's pick feather and let's change the amount. This way we are going to add here this color and it will spread out nicely. I will make it 34. Now to change the color, we have to go to the adjustments and we can take hue, saturation, brightness. Let's change the hue. I will make it 79. Then I'm changing here saturation to 86 and brightness to 65. Let's still change it. Let's tap here and let's tap again, and now let's change curves. We can move this point here down to make this darker, like that. Now let's go back to the adjustments, tap on it again, and again let's change the hue. I want to still adjust it. I will make it 65 and then saturation 72. Let's tap here to finish and also here. We can change the colors in one more way. I would like to adjust the colors here of these pink shapes. So I will go to the layer of them, it's this one, and I will make a new layer on top of this. Let's set this layer as clipping mask. So this way whatever we draw here will be visible only on the area of the layer that's underneath it. Let's change here the blending mode. So tap here and let's pick here overlay. Let's pick the color. Let's take the blue one, this one, and let's change the brush. Here we can go to the airbrushing and let's take soft brush. With the brush size 9%, we can add this over here like that. And I see that I forgot to add here the drawing assist to this layer. So let's go here and let's turn it on. Now we can draw here and this effect will show everywhere. Okay. Now let's change the color. Let's take the yellow one. And I will add it over here. Like that. Okay, now in the end we'll still add here some glow to this illustration. For this let's make a new layer on top of everything. And let's change the blending mode here to add. Let's take this yellow color and let's make the brush size small. Let's make it 3% and we can mark points where we want to add the glow. Also, let's not forget to set this layer as drawing assist. Okay. So I would like to add small glow points at the ends of this shape, like that. And then maybe also over here. Here in the middle. Maybe here. And also over here. I will maybe add this one in the middle, more like this. Okay. So now let's make this glow a little bit more. For this we can go to the adjustments and we can take here bloom. Swipe your pencil and screen to add the bloom size. And then we can change the settings here at the bottom. Okay, I like those settings. So my bloom size is 51, transition is 71, size 67 and burn 68. Let's tap here to finish. Now we can make one more layer on top of this one. Let's also set this layer to drawing assist. Change it to add. And let's change the color. Let's take white color like this. Let's make the brush size even smaller, 1%. And let's draw again in the same points to give here a little bit more extra glow. I will extend this here like that, so I kind of drew here a small arrow. And I will do the same over here. Okay. And now, maybe I will just blur this light underneath a little bit. So I'll go to this layer. I'll go to the adjustments, take Gaussian blur, and I will swipe my pencil on the screen to add the blur size, and I will make it 4%. Let's tap here to finish. And now we can just turn off those lines, the symmetry lines. So let's go to the actions menu and turn off drawing guide. And now this illustration is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope you can share your drawing with me on my Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you'd like to draw more of me, don't forget to check out my Patreon. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!